Publishing a book used to be a daunting process reserved for established authors and publishing houses, but in 2026, platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, have democratized the entire industry. In this video, we will take you step by step through the process of publishing on Amazon KDP, covering everything from creating an account to designing your book, optimizing it for search, and maximizing your chances of sales. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to take your manuscript from concept to Amazon's virtual shelves. If you enjoy this guide, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials on self-publishing and online business. What is Amazon KDP? Amazon KDP is a self-publishing platform that allows authors to publish ebooks, paperbacks, and even hardcovers directly to Amazon's marketplace. Unlike traditional publishing, KDP gives you full control over your book, from pricing and marketing to cover design and content formatting. Authors retain copyright and royalties, typically ranging from 35% to 70% for ebooks, depending on the pricing structure. The platform is beginner-friendly, but success requires a clear understanding of the tools and strategies available. With millions of books published each year on Amazon, standing out requires attention to detail, quality content, and effective optimization techniques. Creating your KDP account. The first step in your KDP journey is creating an account. Visit the KDP website and sign in with your existing Amazon account or create a new one specifically for publishing. You'll need to provide personal information, including name, address, and tax details, since royalties will be paid directly to you. KDP supports multiple currencies and payment options, making it accessible to authors worldwide. Once your account is set up, you gain access to the KDP dashboard, which serves as your central hub for uploading books, tracking sales, and accessing marketing tools. Familiarizing yourself with the dashboard is important because it streamlines the entire publishing process. Understanding the types of books you can publish. Amazon KDP supports several types of publications. The most common are ebooks and paperbacks. Ebooks are digital, instantly delivered to readers via Kindle devices or apps, and have flexible pricing and distribution options. Paperbacks allow for print on demand, meaning copies are only printed when ordered, reducing upfront costs. In addition, KDP now supports hardcover editions, which appeal to collectors and readers who prefer a premium reading experience. Low-content books, such as journals, planners, and coloring books, are also popular on KDP. These books require minimal written content, but can generate consistent sales if designed effectively and targeted to niche markets. Preparing your manuscript. Before you publish, your manuscript must be properly formatted. For ebooks, common formats include Docs, EPUB, or MOBI, with a clean structure, consistent fonts, and proper chapter headings. Amazon provides detailed formatting guidelines to ensure your book looks professional on all Kindle devices and apps. For paperbacks and hardcovers, you need to consider trim size, margins, and bleed settings. Tools like Kindle Create or third-party formatting software can simplify this process, ensuring your book meets KDP's print requirements. Proper formatting not only improves reader experience, but also reduces the risk of errors that can lead to negative reviews. Designing a professional cover. A book cover is the first impression a reader will have of your work, so investing in a professional-looking cover is crucial. KDP provides a cover creator tool for beginners, but many authors hire freelance designers or use graphic design software to create visually compelling covers. Your cover should be clear, readable, and visually appealing, with typography that reflects the genre. A well-designed cover increases click-through rates on Amazon, which can directly impact sales. Remember, your ebook cover must also look good as a thumbnail, as most readers will first encounter it in search results or recommendations. Writing an engaging book description. The book description is your marketing copy on Amazon, designed to convince potential readers to buy. Write a compelling, concise description that highlights the value of your book, the problem it solves, or the entertainment it provides. Use persuasive language, proper formatting with short paragraphs, and include keywords for SEO purposes. Many successful KDP authors also use HTML formatting for bold text, italics, and bullet points in the description to make it more readable. A strong description complements your cover and title, improving conversion rates from page views to sales. Choosing keywords and categories. Optimizing your book for search is a key part of KDP success. Amazon allows you to select up to 7 keywords or keyword phrases that help your book appear in relevant search results. Research tools like Publisher Rocket or Amazon's own search bar can help identify high-traffic keywords in your niche. You must also select appropriate categories for your book. Categories determine where your book appears in Amazon's browsing sections and can impact your visibility and ranking. Choosing niche-specific categories increases your chances of ranking higher and reaching readers actively searching for content like yours. Setting your price and royalties. Pricing strategy is critical for both ebooks and print books. For ebooks, KDP allows you to choose between 35% and 70% royalty options. The 70% option comes with certain requirements, including pricing between $2.99 and $9.99 and delivery cost considerations. For print books, the royalty is typically 60% of the list price minus printing costs. Pricing affects sales volume, perceived value, and competitiveness in your niche. Testing different price points and analyzing sales data can help you find the optimal pricing strategy for your book. Uploading your book with your manuscript, cover, description, keywords, and categories ready, it's time to upload your book to KDP. The process is straightforward. Select Create a new title, choose ebook or paperback, enter all metadata, and upload your files. KDP will generate a preview so you can check formatting and ensure your book looks correct on digital and print platforms. After reviewing, submit your book for publishing. Amazon typically takes 24 to 72 hours to review and make your book live. During this period, KDP checks for formatting issues, prohibited content, and metadata accuracy. Monitoring the review process ensures your book is published without unnecessary delays. Marketing your KDP book publishing is only the first step. Marketing is essential for visibility and sales. Many KDP authors use a combination of social media promotion, email lists, paid advertising, and Amazon's internal marketing tools like Kindle Countdown deals or free promotions for ebooks. Building an author platform, including a website, social media presence, and engagement with readers, increases credibility and repeat sales. Encouraging reviews is also crucial, as social proof can dramatically influence purchasing decisions. Marketing is an ongoing effort, and consistent promotion can lead to sustainable sales over time. Tracking sales and analytics. Once your book is live, KDP provides a dashboard for tracking sales, royalties, and customer reviews. Monitoring these metrics helps you understand reader preferences, optimize marketing strategies, and plan future releases. Analyzing trends such as which keywords drive the most sales or which promotions yield the highest ROI allows you to refine your approach. Experienced KDP authors often use these insights to launch new titles more effectively, creating a compounding effect on their publishing business. Common mistakes to avoid: beginners often make mistakes such as skipping professional formatting, neglecting keywords, or underestimating cover design. Other pitfalls include setting unrealistic expectations for immediate sales or ignoring the importance of marketing. Avoiding these errors increases your chances of success. Take the time to research your niche, optimize your listings, and ensure your book is polished. Remember, Amazon is a competitive marketplace, and quality and visibility are essential to standing out. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on self-publishing, online business, and passive income strategies.